Warning! If you are wondering, should I go to the Bronco Off-Roadeo in Moab, Utah? Do not watch this video. Hello, Bronco friends, and thanks for watching my video. Look, that's me standing right there. That's my sweet rig. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Here's what happened when I drove my sweet Bronco from San Diego to Moab, Utah. It was rad AF. I paid for my whole seat, but I only sat on the edge of it. Get ready, babies. It's the Bronco Off-Roadeo in gorgeous Moab, Utah. Yahoo! But wait, hold your horses, Bronco friends. The Off-Roadeo begins here at the fabulous Red Cliffs Lodge, an absolutely gorgeous resort with stunning vistas everywhere you look. It's like something from a postcard. I mean, look at that, breathtaking. Look at those horses. Do you see the horses? How amazing is that? Now the birds are flying off towards the morning sunrise. Absolutely gorgeous. Truly an amazing place for lovemaking and driving sweet Broncos. Look at these. Oh my stars. Look at these beauties. You can do what you like, but I fancy that red one. Now that we're all horned up, let's go inside and meet our guides for some orientations. Look at swag. Meet new people. That's Erica. She's my guide, and she is awesome. Shout out to Erica. Booyah! Okay, I'm sick of talking now. That's enough of that. Take one last pee-pee, grab your saddle, and let's go ride. Yeehaw, babies. Yeah! Can we cue up the sexy trail music, please? Ooh, very sexy. Thank you.
One up to me. Remember where your hands are. Remember where your feet are. Everybody when you're in there. Come on in, hug tight to that tree there on your driver's side.
Yes, I am wearing my sunglasses over my prescription glasses. How else would people know I'm over 40? Don't focus on that. Focus on the super sweet Bronco driving terrains. Very nice! Erica is. She hasn't got a care in the world. What a sweet gig indeed. She's absolutely amazing. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Such a stunning and massive landscape. And a perfect place to bury a dead body, no doubt. No doubts here. None whatsoever. None at all. Very correct. Gorgeous. Oh, that's Bush League. Hit that differential.
Trail goes around.
There it is. Yes.
We go over the crunchy bits, the harder parts, because we're in a Bronco, my friend.
And another change of music. I felt one was overdue. Brilliant.
Good. That beautiful.
Do you see how the new song suddenly shifts the overall mood and feel of the video? It certainly does.
Okay, right. Good. Right there.
This seems the perfect time to remind the viewer that you don't need to have any skill at off-roading to attend the Off-Roadeo. Don't confuse fun with danger because they are both very sexy. You can literally be any old yahoo, and they'll let you pucker your way down a mountain. I really had no business driving this machine down a mountain, but they absolutely insisted on it. It's the best way to test your abilities in a brand new Bronco. And by the end of the day, you will have absolutely destroyed your underpants. Oh, how I wish that was a joke.
Look at my butt.
Remember to practice that threshold braking as we go down here. You need to be doing about no more than 1 mile an hour.
That's it. That's my video. Thanks for watching. Now go subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends. Share it with your social medias. Why does my inner monologue have more than one announcer voice? Leave a comment. Watch this video a few more times. Tell someone you love that they should drive Broncos with you. Do it now. Broncos in Moab. The answer is yes. Yeehaw, babies. Yeah.